Okay, so let's go ahead and prove the derivative of the sine inverse of x today, or the arcsine of x, however you want to refer to it. Okay, so the claim is that if f of x is equal to the sine inverse of x, f prime of x is equal to 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. Okay, very good. So let's prove this statement here. Okay, good. So now I think I'm going to sketch a triangle, and we're going to take advantage of the Pythagorean theorem and also implicit differentiation. Okay. And we do have a proof available for sine of x, the derivative of sine of x. So if you want to reference that, you can. So if this is the angle f of x, then it has a sine of x. So opposite over hypotenuse, x over 1. There you go. And if this is x and this is 1, then by the Pythagorean theorem, this side would be the square root of 1 minus x squared, which looks familiar, doesn't it? Okay. So, okay, f of x equals sine inverse of x. That is true if and only if, of course, by the definition of inverse trig function, sine of f of x is equal to x. Okay? Okay, very good. Now, again, we do have available a video for the proof of the derivative of sine of x. So d dx of sine x we know is equal to cosine x. Let's get that in the box. Okay. And we also know that d dx of f of g of x, okay, is equal to f prime of g of x times g prime of x. That's, of course, the chain rule, okay, and we're going to be using this statement as well today. Okay, this rule, I should say. So both of these proofs are available in on other videos, so feel free to access those if you so desire. So I'm going to be using implicit differentiation here. I'm going to be taking the derivative of both sides. Now, the derivative of the sine of something is the cosine of something. Okay, but we can't stop there because we're taking the derivative of both sides with respect to x. Therefore, we have to, by the chain rule, multiply by f prime of x, which is actually what we're looking for. Okay, so there's the left-hand side, and then the derivative of the right-hand side is just 1. Okay, taking the derivative of both sides with respect to x. To solve for f prime, let's now go ahead and divide both sides by the cosine of f of x. So we're going to have 1 over the cosine of f of x. And what is the cosine of f of x? Well, it's adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, so here we go. F prime of x is equal to 1 over the cosine of f of x, which is just the square root of 1 minus x squared all over 1, or just the square root of 1 minus x squared. So there we go. Not so bad. Okay, not so bad. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions, comments, and concerns. We're always receptive to recommendations for future content. Have a great rest of your day, and we will see you in the next video.